Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel Dress Up Ideas. I am here to help you find the perfect wedding dress of your special day. Your wedding day is one of the most important dresses you will ever wear, and it important that you feel confident and beautiful in it, with so many style and design to choose for. It can be. I am here to give you some idea and importation from the tried ball gown to modern sleek design. There is a meaningless of there too much your personal taste and style. I have put together a collection of different style and classes, elegance, so that everybody can find something that shows here perfectly. Each dress is made from luxurious fabric, such as this details will add touch of glamour to your look and make you feel like through rances on your special day. Well, your dresses is a content piece of your very dull look. Accessories like jewelry and hair piece can take your look to the next level. You can choose for a traditional look or flower for able women, with the possibility here and lace, and adding the right accessories will give your dresses personal touch. Is important to remember that running dresses can be expensive, but I have also include some more important that sleek looks stunning. The sky is too kind accessories that make you feel amazing. Very much it's one of the best thing about dresses is that they come in range of size, so every bride can find the perfect fit. If you can't find what you are looking for, many designer customization to make your dresses style unique. I hope this video has give you some ideas and inspiration for your wedding dresses. I am so thrilled to dive into one of the most important aspects of any wedding place: choosing the perfect rest for the special day. Unlike a roasting, but fear not, I have very ten a beautiful range area that will inspire you and help you find the account of your dreams. When it comes to garden dresses, there is a style of every personal taste and pair with you give to world classes designs of something more be man and furry. There is a dress up theory that will perfectly suit your style for this when to make a ground and feel like statement is the perfect choose. The knot will live everyone in all is you will turn the is a idea I am sharing with you have been famous Kyle brightest fashion is will so you can be confident that the air trained and will make you look your special day. Remember, your wedding rest should reflect your personal style and make you feel so feel free to get create creative and have fun with you are choosing. I hope you found this idea helpful. If you have any question or suggestion, please leave a comment down below. Don't forget to hit the like button of your enjoyed the video is it will help me create more content like this. And if you have not already, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications so you won't miss my future video. Your careful selection of dresses that get to style and performance we you learn to a classes look or perfect something more. There is dresses out there that will test for seeking a classes the smiles swimming dresses this sets and sounds of details touch of marking you feel like a through sleek cheap dresses with modern twist on showing your future will adding on touch of low of you wear who mean you will love the elegant beauty of long dresses with delicate the this dresses are perfect for outdoor wedding tunes of romance stay stand for amazing design on coming your dream is out there waiting for you and I am here to guide you every stop of the way. Thanks you. I wish you can the field with love and his I am absolutely to have here today is we dive into one of the most serial accept of any wedding, the wedding dress. Your wedding day is on sadly one of the most special and memorable day of your life, and is a day when you want to excite, confident, and share beauty. The wedding dresses has the power to make all the difference. That is why I am here. I am excited to offer you on inspiration and ideas to finding your dreaming care when embarking on the journey of chewing on the first. Thanks to your personal style, whether yourself in the bond than modern sleep design that with your test on of the most wonderful accept of your wedding dresses. The size is your statement always a good choose. A long bell adds dreams and elegance to your look. Wild earning your necklace can add some sparkle and personality in choosing your wedding dress is a personal journey that should make you feel confident, beautiful, and comfortable on your special day. Don't rush the process and take the time to try on different styles. Unitel, you find the own that I hope you find this ideas is helpful, and if you have any question or suggestion, please feel free to leave a comment down below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. More wedding tips and inspiration. Look forward to seeing you in my next video. Choose if your perfect wedding dress with content, style, and design available. It can be to choose the rights on the first your personality, body, shop, and the overall feel. If you who fear not, I am here to guide you. Some of the most popular trends and style for the Wahoo check wedding dress is the perfect choice. This dress is your mood from lights and flyaway fabric like Chopin air to the details. The air comfortable and elegant, perfect for a relaxed and dynamic wedding ceremony. If you wear a and timeless ridden bone dress with
Whited body is in full. Seeker is on excellent. Please feel free to leave comment down below in the my and thanks you so much for the watching my video today.